Before incorporating automotive element into your art at home, decor can be unique and the interesting way to add a touch of personality and character to your living space. Here are a few steps to get started. Begin by researching different automotive style, colors, and design that you find interesting. Look at classic car design, vintage Seniga and other automotive scheme artwork to get inspiration for your own pieces. Decide on the type of art you want to create, whether it's painting, photography, sculpture, and something else. You may also want to consider using material from actual cars, such as using recycled part of to create a functional and a decorative item. Sketch out a few ideas for your artwork, taking into account the size, color scheme, and the overall aesthetic. If you are incorporating automotive element, consider how they will fit into the overall design and scheme. Once you have a design plan in place, gather the material you will need to bring your artwork to life. This may include paint, canvas, brush, metal, and the plastic car parts and the other supplies. Begin working on your artwork, taking your time to ensure that you are applying with this result. You may want to experiment with different techniques and style and find out the work best for you. Once your art is complete, choose a prominent place to display your home decor. Office consider how it fit to your overall decor of the room and take account factors such as lighting and all the spaces. Create automotive themed art and decor is all about experimentation and creative. Don't be afraid to try new things and take risks. The result may surprise you in future. Here are some additional details consider when incorporating automotive element. You may want to focus on particular type of automotive design such as classic car, muscle cars, and the vintage racing car. Look for image and these design online in a book. Pay attention to the shapes and colors details stand out to you. You may want to look for vintage signage advertisement that feature automotive themes such as gas station signs and cars. When deciding on the type of you want to create, consider the material you need and the skill required. For example, if you want to create a painting, you will need to purchase canvas, paintbrush, and have some basic painting needs. You can use the car license plate map, create map of United States using old license plate, cut the plate into a shape of the state and attach them to the large piece of wood or the board. Use an old tire as the base of the ottoman, cut it down a piece of wood to fit, and you can create a beautiful ottoman sofa as like that. Create a clock using gear salvaged for old car. Attach a gear to the piece of the wood metal and the clock mechanism. Turn an old gas pipe into a beverage dispenser. Cut a hole in the top of pump. Add a spigot and fill with your favorite drink. Attach pegboard to a wall and use it on a organize your automotive tools. Label each peg with the corresponding tool and keep everything within easy reach. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video. We uploaded so many videos about design and craft from scrap welding and some other material that you can utilize by yourself at your home and create a different projects by that. Here are some ideas for incorporating old car part into your home decor. Hanging out hubcase, car grills, license plate to your walls as a unique, interesting piece of art. You should even enrich them in a college or create a gallery wall. Create a unique coffee table by repurposing an old car hood or tank lid, a bottom and legs, a glass shop to create a functional and eye-catching piece of furniture. Vintage car parts such as engine blocks, transmissions, gears, and brakes discs, and they will add a rustic and industrial touch to your bookshelves. Lightning and headlight and tailing of signal light into unique and industrial lighting feature. They will mount on the wall or ceiling to provide ambient lighting. Create a one-of-a-kind shelf by using car bumper, fender, or outdoor such as base. It could be used in your living room, some office, and the garage.